Hello Maligayans, kasama natin si Mahusay at head ng EPP at ngayon maglalagay na tayo ng mga tanim sa mga paso. Don't forget to click subscribe, like, and share. Hello mga ka-Bright Minds, today magtatanim kami. Hello Maligayans, kasama natin si Mahusay at head ng EPP at ngayon maglalagay na tayo ng mga tanim sa mga paso. Ituran nyo tayo. Ano mo?
Tatanggalin po natin, bubukasan natin yung plastic. Tapos po, ilagay na. Tapos dadagdagan po natin ng loam soil. Okay.
So dapat tatanggalin.
Baba natin para
Paano natin yun dyan?
Okay. Ayan.
Sundan mo na.
Ito na.
Tanggalin.
Kumakani ka ng loam soil. Para
Tanggalin natin ng plastic. Tapos diba, kuha ng loam soil.
Dadagdagan nyo sir ito ha. Sir, dadagdagan nyo.
Maligaya Elementary School launched Sing Aralin at the start of the school year 2020-2021 in order to aid parents and teachers in helping their children cope up the easiest way in answering modules, activity, and worksheets through musicality, games, and interactive means. It is also serving as a means to hone talents and foster better mental health status.
Here are the partnership forged through Sing Aralin from local government unit, parent and community, non-government organization and association. Lessons from Sing Aralin, Batang Magalang value-laden children was able to capture the partnerships that inculcate the support for the realization of the 17 Sustainable Development Goals of UNESCO that is permanently painted at the facade of the school. Finger painting. This lesson drew support for school supplies to indigent pupils. Courtesy of this lesson, several school supplies was donated. Lesson about wellness. This lesson tackled holistic development of children through dance. This paved the way for numerous partnerships like ADMO, Bear Brand Free Milk, Health Kits, COVID-19 prevention materials, mental health seminars, and wash areas. Lesson about first aid. The lesson provided helpful tips on how to give necessary attention for those who will be facing challenges brought about by the outside forces like typhoon, earthquake, and other accidental human errors. These gained support from manufacturers who donated oxygen tanks, wheelchairs, thermal scanners, pulse oximeter, and other materials. Finding common factors using the visibility. Children had enjoyable learning experiences through this activity. Honing numeracy skills while playing. It opens the doors in the installation of math cabana and math puzzle. Recognizing useful and harmful materials, scientific concepts were taught as well as valuing things around. Recycling can also be practiced as a great help to the environment. It was able to add materials recovery facility, herbarium, compost pit, and improvised wash facility. This lesson taught children as well as all its viewers the totality of model Filipino child, mga Diyos, mga tao, mga kalikasan, at mga bansa. It was a hit that it was able to gain support from the following partners and stakeholders. MES, home of the best of MES, fostering the better quality of life through singing happy tune of learning.